On the 6th of May 2022, I post one story on my Instagram page, Basketball545, and with this story, I make $9.50. So with just one single story, you can make money from that. So what you can do is you can post every single day and even post 3 times per day, then you can 3x your earning. So with this method, you don't need to create a website, you don't need to sell anything, and you don't have to show your face. And the best part is available with all countries, and also you can just use with your mobile phone. Sounds good to you? Keep watching. And if you are new to this channel, I'm Johnson Lin. This is about all the journey that I do with my Instagram page, Instagram growth, and Instagram promotion. If you like this kind of content, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video. So YouTube will showing this video to even more people need to watch this video. All right, so let's jump back to today's video. All right, so let me show you what the video looks like. Okay, so you can see this is a video that about NBA 2K games. So I placed this video game that on my Instagram page. And my page is about basketball, so there will be a really high chance that my audience will download this game. Always remember that anything that you want to promote on your page must relate to your page. So your audience will be interested to buy or to download the things that you want them to do, so you can start making money. So this is really important. So where did I get this video ad? And this is really simple, is I download the video ad from the provider. They give me the video ad, so all I need to do is upload that video on my page and provide my referral link. So once people click on the link, they download the app, I will get paid. It's just simple as that. So now let's jump onto the website. I'm going to show you where you can start making money with. Okay, so the website is called The Plug, as you can see from my screen, and this is a website that will easily monetize your following. So all you need to do is, when I scroll down, you can see they provide all different kind of application for you. So you can do is you can place the video that they provide for you. You can see there's a video ad inside here. You can download from this website and upload this video on your page and provide with your referral link. Then people will click on, they download the app, then you will get paid. So you can see from this application, this is a fitness app, and you can get 15.9 plug coin, and that is the old version. Right now, the new version, you can see how much money you will get on each download. So it's really easy to recognize. So always remember, you're going to promote the app that is related to your page. This is really important, because if you are promoting a fitness app on a motivational page, then people might not be so interested on your promotion, then you won't get paid a lot. So this is really important. Remember, always promote the app that is related to your page. So next, what I will recommend is you need at least 5,000 followers on your Instagram page, then you can start promote. If you are under 5,000 followers, forget about any promotion on your page. This is really important, because first, if you are under 5,000 followers, if you promote any product on your page, you will gonna kill your engagement rate, and this is really important. And because people will start leaving your page, and you don't want that happen. And second, the Plug website, they will need 5,000 followers. So there is no other choice that you will need 5,000 followers. And if your page is not over 5,000 followers, don't worry, I will teach you in this video in just a few seconds. So next, how to grow to 5,000 followers. And also when you watch until the end, I will give you a bonus how to 3x your earning on the Plug website. And right now, I want to know how much followers that you got on your page. Leave down the comment section. And also if you like this video, give me a like, I will be appreciated. Okay, so now let's talk about how to grow your followers to at least 5,000 followers on your page. So first you need to recognize how many followers that you got right now. If your followers is under 3,000 followers, you need 2 steps. If your followers is over 3,000 and less than 5,000, you will only need 1 step. It's really simple as that. So first we're gonna start with the followers that is under 3,000. So when you're under 3,000, you will need 2 steps. First, you will need is follow for follow. So follow for follow method is still by far the best method to grow your Instagram page. But most of the people that are doing this method wrong, so they won't get a lot of followers in a short period of time. So I'm going to show you the correct way. So let's jump onto my phone. I'm going to show you how to do the follow for follow method correctly. Okay, so let's jump onto Instagram, and first thing we need to do is click on the search bar. And you're gonna search on the hashtag. We're gonna looking for the post that is related to our page. For example, my page is about basketball, so I will looking for the hashtag that is related to basketball. For example, you can see NBA playoff, this is related to basketball. So I'm gonna click on this. Then you're gonna click on recent. Then you can click on any video that is related to your page. So I'm gonna click on the first one. So you can see this post is post 53 seconds ago, and this is really good because we are looking for the post that is under 2 hours. Why? Because when under 2 hours, the most people that is stored on Instagram, and once you follow them, they will get a notification that they will see that you follow them. So there will be a really high chance that people will follow you back. Because if you follow the people that is not on Instagram, you have to wait them to the next day, and that is gonna be decrease your chance to get the follow back. So this is really important. Find the post that is under 2 hours, okay? And the second step you're gonna do is you're gonna start posting reels. Yes, reels is the feature that compete with TikTok. Instagram are promoting reels like crazy. So this is by far the best #1 strategy that to grow your Instagram page is posting Instagram reels like crazy. When I say crazy, it's 5 times per day. Every single day, you're gonna post at least 5 times every single day. So you will start growing your Instagram page. So with the follow for follow method and also the reels that you post 5 every single day, you will definitely easy to get over 3,000 followers, and just a short period of time, you will be over 5,000 followers. So right now, let's talk about the second one, that is your followers is over 3,000 but it's under 5,000, and only one step that you need to do is, I think right now you can guess, that is posting on reels. Yes, post 5 times per day, every single day, you will definitely to grow on your Instagram page. And remember that posting on reels and also connect that into your feed and also connect that into your story. So you are using all the feature that Instagram provide for you. So Instagram will know that you are a serious business. So Instagram will promote your content, then your content will go viral, then you will generate a lot of followers for your page. Then you can easily go to over 5,000 followers. So once you have over 5,000 followers, you can jump onto the blog website, request, then they will accept you, then you can start promote the app on the blog website and start making money, okay? So right now, let's talk about the 3x your earning. So you can see that you are download a video that for your Instagram Reels, and did you know that Instagram Reels is competing with TikTok and is also competing with YouTube Show. These 3 features are exactly the same, so which means you can post on these 3 platforms. So your earning can be easily 3 times. You can see just one video you can place on 3 different platforms, then you can reach even more people and make even more money. It's just simple as that. So you can see now you have over 5,000 followers, and the more followers that you get on your page, then that means the more people will see you're promoting it, then the more money you can make. So right now you can see, check out this video, how do I get 1,000 followers every single day. Then I will see you in that video. See you guys.